Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending for photos collage for Instagram Reels using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my InShot, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to select video, select new, and I'm going to add a blank clip to my project. You can choose blank and click on the check mark, and then you're going to extend the duration according to the duration that you need. Okay, for me, I'm just going to select 9 seconds. All right, and then I'm going to add photos to this project. We can go to the PIP, and then you can select photo from your gallery. For example, I'm going to select photos from my wait guys, from my pins folder. But wait, oops, sorry. Okay, I'm still searching for the folder or the album. Okay, this one, and I'm going to select this photo. Okay, we can add 4 photos. Okay, I'm gonna add 3 photos again, and you can arrange the collage like this. For the last photo, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, and then wait guys, I'm going to change the canvas. I'm going to choose 9:16 ratio, which is suitable for Instagram Reel. Okay, and you can keep arranging until you're satisfied with how it looks. You can zoom in or zoom out like this, right? Okay, once you're satisfied, you can arrange the duration so it can appear one by one. All right, and this is the final result. Okay, and to make your video more captivating, you can add music or maybe text, or it's up to you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create trending for photos collage for Instagram Reels. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.